Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you are new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will get notified. So I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process on how to use Gemini Business for video generation. So basically, I'm running a pro Gemini account, and before there is a method in which you can actually use Google Gemini for free for 30 days without adding your card. But now they are actually requesting for a card, which of course you might not be able to proceed if you are not adding your card details. So you can see right on this page. So they are requesting you to add a card for before you can actually proceed to the inside of Gemini business. So, but then if you are willing to add your own card, you can actually proceed by going to business.gemini.google.com. Then you'll be able to sign up for the Gemini Enterprise 30 days free trial, right? So, but then me, I'm using the Pro version. So you can see Pro on the top right here. So I'm using my Google Pro to create this video. So, and you can see on this tool right here, so you can see create image, canvas, deep research, create video, create music, right? So we also have all these features, Gemini Fast, Quick Thinking Pro. You can see all this one right here. So that's it. So what I'm going to do is first things to create a prompt and to generate an image that I'm gonna convert into a video. So if just the way I have access to this one right here, I also have access to Google Flow, which of course I can also create the video from that page. But then I'm gonna be using the Gemini page, so I think everything is okay. Right, so I will ask Gemini to generate a prompt for me to create an image. So uh, give me a well detailed prompt to generate an old, sorry, an old woman, an old woman in the forest that lost her way home and feel stranded, right? Where there is a code and or a code around her, like a code around where she is, where she is. I just want with this on my end. So let's see the prompt. So it's now the prompt that we are going to use to generate the image, and then we are going to use the prompt to generate the video as well. So copy the prompt right here. So copy, then let's generate the image first because we're gonna ask ChatGPT, Gemini, sorry, to also convert this prompt to a video prompt. So this is just an image. You can see, then I'll click on tools, then click on create image, then click on submit. So let's see what is going to generate for us. I forgot to actually add the aspect ratio on how it's supposed to be, right? So you can see this is what it generates. I think this makes sense. It makes sense, right? It makes sense. So what we're gonna do next, okay, I think it's generated in multiple ways, right? Which makes sense, make more sense. The same person. I think there's a consistent in the characters. So now let's do it this way. Sorry. So now, can you? can you make the video of it while she's walking around and um, she lost she she's looking for a way out for a way out. Okay, so then I'm gonna cancel this, then convert this to create video. Select these two, we start a new chat. Okay, I think let's stop this, because if you're gonna start a new chat, then I think you might not have access to this story, to this particular page. So let's ask it to generate a prompt for us. Can you can you make a prompt of the image to a video? So then enter, then it's gonna generate the prompt again for us in a video format. So let's wait and see. Okay, funny enough, it's actually generating the video itself. So you can see generating your video. I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes. So check back when your video is ready. So basically, we're gonna come back within 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm gonna cut this video. So, or if you actually want me to wait, so I can actually wait on it. So it's generating, so we have to just to see how long it's gonna take. So basically, this is the video. So I'm not even sure it actually take up to 2 minutes or even 1 minute. So it's not that it's not that far. We can generate two more video today. So I think I have access to three video per day. So let's open the video and see how the quality. Can you see that that is really, really amazing? But making or checking on the consistency of the character, I think the character is not consistent. So you can see this face and you can see this face. So it's a total different face. It's a total difference. You can see this, you can see this. You can see it's quite different. But in other way around, you might decide not to generate the image of it. So just give Gemini your prompt to generate the video directly. So that way you will not have chance to be competing or comparing if the character is consistent or not. So um, I think that is how you can actually generate video with Google Gemini. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.